Hello everyone, this video shows you how you can move the turtle in the 3D virtual space. Moving the turtle in the 3D virtual space is different to the navigation in 3D virtual space. The turtle in a 3D space is a reference point where you can place virtual objects, and of course the heading or the direction of the turtle is also the object's heading or direction. And therefore it's important to understand where the turtle is heading to, and what location position is the turtle. To begin with, I'd like to switch to the beginner's view, so we get a bigger view here, and we can also set fit everything, show everything in space. So bring the turtle to view closer. I also like to turn on the grid, so it's just with some objects we can relate to when we observe the movement of the turtle. Alright, so to begin with, I use the quick command to demonstrate. To move in a 3D virtual space, basically there's a change of location and change of direction. So in terms of changing the location or position, we have the distance here, and by default it's meter. So it's unlike 2D turtle graphics, it's just 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 100 pixel. This is in 3D space, so it's measured by meter or centimeter if you like to change that. You can increase the distance or just typing if you like. So that's the distance to move, change location, and also there's an angle to change, to turn. So in addition to change of position, there's a change of direction here. So in a 3D space, there are quite a few things that we need to pay attention to. The first one is forward, backward, as we have in the 2D plane or 2D space. So this is traditional logo that we have. Forward, the command is forward or FD, and as you can see, it forwards to the heading there. We can also right turn, that's RT, the command is right, and short for RT. And you can forward, then you see that's the different location that you changed according to the headings. And you can backward, turn left, left turn, go back, and that's the original position. So traditionally there are only these 4 commands in logo, but in the 3D space there are a couple more. So I'll start with the 3D rotation. So in addition to right and left, in 3D space you can have this we call roll up or RU. So watch carefully the movement. So you don't actually change your position, but you change your orientation. So you can keep roll up, and after full roll up in 90 degree, return to the same heading, and that's roll down. Of course, that's the just the opposite direction, as you can see. There's another rotation. It's called tilt and to the right. So the right hand side here. So tilt to the right is like this. Tilt to the left is of course that. And I'm just doing everything the 90 degree. If you like, you can move. You can change to 45 degree if you like. I can turn here and then roll, turn right 45, roll up 45. I can tilt 45 and left 45. And the direction in 3D, rotation in 3D is quite counterintuitive, because you can turn into very strange angles there. And so to return, you simply click home that you can return. So the above, left, right, and forward, backward, and also the other 4 turns or relates to the turtle's direction. So I actually call these movements, whether change location or change direction, are egocentric movements because it's related to the turtle's body and direction. But there's another set of movements you can see here. That is the fixed movement, and these won't change direction. These will only change the direction, change the location. So for example, if you can go north and you see north is that way, even that you have already changed your orientation, if you really go north, north is still that way, and you can see it doesn't change the direction, but it changed the position. So south is this way, north is that way, east is that way, and west is that way. And it doesn't matter where you are facing to, you always go to these fixed directions. And of course you can go up, well, it's too high there, and it can go down. And again, the fixed movement, these only change your position, and that does not change the direction of the turtle. Right, I hope you can investigate and play a little bit more about these movements.